Hello, today I'm going to be addressing the why does the white static come through and how to fix. So right here, I have a Kenwood KG 372G or something like that. I know the last few digits are 372G. But I've got that, and then I've got a Baofeng UV-5R. Now, if I turn this volume up, you're going to hear this sound. So turn that down. But on here, turn the volume all the way up. As far as it goes, you won't hear anything. Unless if I press the PTT button. But yeah, you will not hear anything. But if I go ahead and switch the antennas around like this, it'll stop the sound. And put this antenna on. It will still do it. Now, it is a squelch problem. So this is a squelch problem.
Menu.
Now my squelch set to 1. If I set it to 5, you'll still hear it.
Confirm.
On 9, you won't hear it anymore. So, that's how to fix it. If you liked it, or if you like this and it worked for you, go ahead and give me a like and please subscribe.